Hello students, welcome back. In the last session we have studied about web programming. Web programming languages are generally scripting languages. A scripting language is a programming language with set of commands which are executed without being compiled. So scripting language, basically it is a programming language. But not all programming languages are scripting languages. A scripting language is a programming language, but not all programming languages are scripting languages, remember. So a script is simply set of commands, or it is a file with set of commands which are executed without being compiled. Scripting languages are generally interpreted than compiled. So in today's session we will study some of the differences between the scripting and non-scripting or the programming languages. So programming language, as we know, it is simply a set of instructions which are executed to produce the output. So let us study some differences between scripting and programming language. So let's start. Okay, we have here table of differences. So the first column, it is factors, second is scripting language, and the third column says programming language. So first factor, it is type of language. Scripting language, it is interpreter based, whereas programming language, it is compiler based. So that is the first difference. This is interpreted and this is compiled language. What is interpreter, what is compiler, we already know. Interpreter simply translates one line of code and it is executed, whereas in case of compiler, the complete program is scanned and it is compiled into a machine code. Then usage, it is used to combine existing components. Programming language, it is used to develop from scratch. Scripting language, it is generally used to combine the existing softwares, whereas programming language is used to develop a software from scratch, from the beginning. Running, scripting language runs inside other programs, that is dependent on other program, whereas programming language, it is independent of the parent program. Like in case of Mozilla, you may have Mozilla plugins which are scripting, which are created by using scripting language, which runs inside the Mozilla software. So scripting languages are generally run on top of some other programming languages. Conversion, scripting languages are converted from high level instructions to machine language. Now here instructions are converted line by line, one instruction at a time is converted from high to machine level language. In case of the programming languages, full program converted to machine language in one time. Okay. Then design, scripting makes coding simple and fast, as this runs on top of other language and we are not creating anything from scratch. So this makes the coding simple and fast. Programming language gives full use of language. It provides full functionality of a language to be used. Compilation, as we know, scripting, it is interpreted, so no need of compilation. For programming, compilation step is necessary. File type, for scripting language does not create a file type because instructions are translated and executed directly. In case of programming language, a .exe file is created. So the type of file after compilation, it is .exe in case of programming language. Coding type, coding type is a small piece of code. In scripting, in programming full code of a program. Scripting, it is a small piece of code, a small file which includes some commands, but in case of programming it is the full-fledged program which is created from scratch, which includes many lines of code. Time to develop, less time required because of less code in scripting language. Programming language, more time, as you need to write the full code from the scratch. Complexity, easy to write and use the scripting language, because as it is based on other languages and it is very small set of lines and codes, it is easy to write and use. In case of programming, it is very difficult. Interpretation, scripting, it is interpreted in another program. So scripting runs on the other program, so it needs to be interpreted by that program, like the browser interprets the JavaScript which is included in the web page. So JavaScript, it is interpreted by the browser. So interpretation, yes, it is interpreted in another program. In case of standalone compiled result, no need to be interpreted by another program. There is no need to be interpreted by some other programs. Length, only few and short lines of coding in case of scripting language. Programming language, numerous lines for every function. Hosting requirement, in case of scripting language, hosting is required. As you can see, we need to host the server side web pages, which includes the scripting languages, or in general the web pages which needs the dynamic behavior needs a scripting language on the client side or on the server side, and for that the hosting is required. In case of programming language, it is self-executable, no host is needed. Okay. Next, it is support, limited or no support to user interface design, data types and graphic design. In case of programming, rich support to user interface design, data types and graphic support. So in scripting language, there is very limited support to the user interface design, that is our GUI screen, data types and graphics design. In case of programming language, it has rich support of user interface design, data types and graphics. The cost of maintenance is very low in case of scripting language, and it is very high in case of programming languages. Some of the examples of scripting languages are JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, Perl, VB, VBScript, etc. Whereas examples of programming languages are C, C++, Java, Pascal, C#, VB, Basic, COBOL, etc. So these are some examples of programming languages. So these are some differences between scripting language and programming language. If you ask today about the scripting and the programming language, we can, with the modern hardware and compilation technique, the line between scripting and programming language, it is getting more and more blurry. So today you can say programming and scripting languages are almost the same. Okay, so these are some differences between the scripting language and a programming language. We will stop here today. Thank you.